mind. I always say, whatever you say to me is your reflection of how you feel about yourself. So it has nothing to do with me. Yabo. So
What?
reacting to everything, ngempela kusho ukuthi ngizogcina depression.
Ne.
Yabo. People are always, they are very, very toxic.
Yo.
And balimele.
Shunje, kona bahlezi laphana looking at your social as like, yo, and at the same time, it's jealousy and
Yes,
envy at
and
the same
envy.
time, bottled up into trauma. We can put
Yes,
trauma,
the
their
trauma
trauma
foods,
inside the same bottle.
yes.
Their insecurities
Yes.
in the same bottle, and it becomes like a Zambia.
Yeah, vele umuntu sengazuthi uyakwazi that they just say whatever. Use ngokubuka that picture or video and then use conclude waqeda ngawukuthi umuntu kanjani, yabo.
Yeah,
And that's
yeah.
one thing I always teach nabazali ukuthi manage social media weingane. Filter out the comments ezolimaza ingane because
you can do that though, right?
Yes. Basabantwana, you manage that and mhlambe uvela umntwana usuke social media yabo abazali abasuke bekhona lapho so laba sebethe ukukhula sebene social media wabo you always block. There's nothing esizayo ukuthi uyayibona comment you block it.
Okay.
You block it.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
I received one of the kids engiba mentorisha
Okay.
uthi they posted a picture where she was not feeling well about it. She didn't like it. So she asked, like she wanted to commit suicide. Indlela ama comments they're so bad.
What minjani those some
Just a
njani?
picture umntwana uvunulile and it wasn't
Oh.
even yabo. So and it's women. Yabo. So and it's a kid. Yabona ukuthi umntwana